It's Jason with Investing Logically. Hopefully it's a wonderful day today. In this video we're going to talk about some stocks that will double. So today the stock market was red. This was kind of expected because the market had reached all-time highs. That we invest for the long term. These short-term movements do not matter to us. So the first stock on the list is VIACOM, ticker symbol VIAC. This stock will double. This stock is really undervalued in my own opinion. They're growing revenues. They have grown their assets from 2020 to 2021. I do think this would reach at least $70 a share by the end of this year or the next year. So this one's a safe moving stock. This one will not move as much like the other growth stocks like NEO. This one pays a dividend, which is really good. You're getting at 2.32% of your money for investing into this company. So the last time I talked about this one was around the high $43. So right now you're getting a discount. If the market continues to sell off, this could reach the mid 30s. For this one, we know based on analysts, they have revenue estimates above the current levels, and their price cuts around I think it was a 30% upside. I have to double check with that. So that just gives you some insight. So what some analysts are doing or what they think about the stock. We had some institutions loading up. One institution loading up 11,000 shares and one more at 4,000 shares. Then 2 days ago we have one institutions who load up nearly 200,000 shares. That is amazing. We know what the big institutions are doing. They're loading up on the stock while this is down. So it just gives you some insight. Don't base your decision based on these institutions. So if you guys believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, you believe in their future, then invest for what they are. Next stock on the list is a scooter electrical company. This one's called NEO. I talked about this one around 2 days ago. This one, when it's low, is $28. So from there, went up 5%. So if you guys bought down there, that would be in a good dip. Up 5%. We know the last time I dipped this low was in May. So if you guys bought a dip, congrats. That was a rare opportunity. I think this is a better buy than any other Chinese electrical vehicle company. Since it's down, look at this, down nearly 40% from its highs. So let's look at their recent deliveries and see if they are recording impressive numbers. We can see the international deliveries increased, their Chinese markets increased as well. So for this one, that is really impressive. They're increasing their revenues, increasing their assets. They have a good fundamentals. They're going to be way more profitable in the years ahead. And also we know based on analysts, they have an average price cut of this of $40. So that's like that's like a 20% upside. So that's really good. So see some analysts rating their revenue to increase in the next year. So that is also really good. If this drops at least 2% or 1% tomorrow, I would consider adding more. And next week, if this drops even more, I would buy more. So that's basically what I would do. This one's a long 5 to 10 hold for me. So in the last 6 months, this hasn't been moving, but we're just going to be patient with this one. So the next stock on the list is ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Do you think this stock will double? So in the week, it's down 20%. So now would be a good time to buy. So a few weeks ago, ChargePoint made an agreement with Mercedes to adopt this Mercedes Me Charge facility for Mercedes users to charge the electrical vehicles. That is really good because it will grow Mercedes revenue and it will grow ChargePoint's revenue. And we know this year, Mercedes in Q1 2021, they made around 6 billion euros in revenue. So that is really good. It's a great company based on their future and based on their fundamentals. I do see they're going up really soon. This agreement will benefit them. So I do think ChargePoint is a really good stock to own, and I do think this will double. According to some institutions, they load up so many shares. Look at this. On the 6th of July, we have one institution loading up 18,000 shares. Then on the 29th, this was like 2 weeks ago, the 29th of June, one institution in the clean energy ETF was called PBW. They loaded up 1.5 million shares. Scroll down, we can see there's no red, which means no institutions are selling. This just gives you some insight that some institutions believe in this company long term and they're putting in their investment funds. So how should you play ChargePoint? So if this drops again tomorrow, consider loading up. It's already at a high, so it had a high of 46, still down nearly 40%, so you're getting a discount. If this drops in the short term, use this as a buying opportunity. So that's my opinion on the stock. So that's it for this video. Those are some of the stocks that will double in the next 12 months. VIACOM, it's a slow mover that will double in my opinion with a 2% dividend yield. NEO is a scooter EV which will double. So if you guys believe electrical scooters better than electrical cars, that would be a good investment. And also ChargePoint, I do think if you believe in EVs, ChargePoint is great for your portfolio because they have the largest market share of charging stations, more than Tesla, more than Blink, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's it from me. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one, and happy investing.